Supplementary problem number 4. The sum of three consecutive integers is 54. Find the number. So if you've watched our video on our sample problem for numbers, once we read about three consecutive integer, our starting as variable is x, be our first integer, and the second is x plus 1, and the third is x plus 2. So once we read this statement, three consecutive integer, so we let x be our first integer, second, and third. What if we read three consecutive odd or even integers? So our starting integer is x, and x plus 2, and our third integer is x plus 4. So this is how we let our variable if we read about consecutive integers problem. If odd or even is not mentioned, if it is not mentioned odd or even, we can start with x, x plus 2, and x plus 4. If it is mentioned, we can start here. If not, we can x plus 1 is x plus 2. Okay, moving on with our problem. The sum of three consecutive integer is 54. So here, we start here. So our first integer is x, our second integer is x plus 1, and our third integer is x plus 2. Okay, the sum means the summation of the three consecutive integer. So if we write our equation, that is x plus x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equal sign 54. So this is our determined equation from the summation of three consecutive integers. Okay, so doing so, x plus 1, okay, solving for your x. So x, that is 3x. Plus 1, 2 plus 3 is equal to 54. Transpose positive 3 to the other side. Positive will become negative. So 3x is equal to 54 minus 3. Therefore, our x is equal to 54 minus 3. That is 51. Transpose to the other as your quotient. 3, that is 51 over 3. Our x is equal to 51 over 3, that is 17. So the value of our first integer is 17. Determining the three consecutive integers, therefore our x, first integer, is 17. Our second integers is x plus 1, that is 17 plus 1, that is 18. And our third integer is x plus 2, that is 17 plus 2, that is 19. Therefore, we can say that our three consecutive integer is 17, 18, and 19. Again, to recap, if we read three consecutive integers, our starting assumption is to let x be our first integer. If it is three consecutive integer, we can start with x, x plus 1, and x plus 2 for the three consecutive integer. If the statement is three consecutive odd or even, you can start with x, x plus 2, and x plus 4. Okay, I hope the problem is clear. So let's move to our next example.